everyone, it's Stephanie from Glittaful. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you're looking to learn fun and easy glitter tumbler designs and DIY crafts, start today by subscribing to my channel below. Become that Glittaholic and click that notification bell to always know when I upload. All right, guys, so we are going to do a smoky tumbler peekaboo. If you guys have been watching all the groups and just looking at all the tumbler designs, the smoky tumbler has been something that has been really integrated into the crafting world right now. And it's so much fun. It's so easy to do, but I want to take it one step up and elevate it to make a peekaboo. The Jurassic Park Motherhood is a walk in the park design has also been a really, really cool peekaboo design. And so I wanted to integrate that today into the design. And so I decided to start with a peekaboo base using King Triton, which is this beautiful color shifter from our Glittaful collection at www.glittaful.com, and take a look at just how that turns. So I thought this was perfect for this design because this is for a mama and me set, and this one's going to go to a baby boy. So I thought the colors were just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So I've already set this one up for the vinyl, and we're just going to go ahead and set up the vinyl for the mom cup. And then we're going to take this up outside to spray paint it with a white spray paint. And then we'll be back to show you all how to do that smoky effect and following the peekaboo method. And I'll show you how that gets done. All right, I'll see you in 2 minutes. All right, so let's go ahead and get these vinyl pieces on. So as I'm adding my vinyl pieces down, I'm not really worried about like having any bubbles underneath because all this vinyl will be peeled off. I think a lot of the questions that I received in my last peekaboo video was like, well, you know, what type of vinyl did you use? Guys, I use my scrap vinyl, whatever I have in my drawer that I'm not using or that I don't use a lot of, I will use. It could be 651, it could be 631, whatever I have I use. I just I don't have a specific anything for a design. I just whatever, I don't use a lot of. All right, so I happen to have a sheet of this yellow that I haven't used at all and had it forever, so I just use that because it's not something that I use often. I will, one, not use black because it's hard to peel up and black is an often used color. So something I don't think about much. So I do that. The other thing is like these pieces, guys, this is a roll of transfer tape. This one I picked up at Expressions Vinyl, and I love it because this stuff works really well. So I just go back and I stick it on there so that I can save as much of that transfer tape. I've had this for quite some time. They offer them in different sizes for these. They could be picked up at your local craft vinyl shop too. I know that Blue Phoenix Vinyl also carries these rolls, and it's just amazing. I love them so much. It's so much easier. It has the right amount of tack to be able to properly transfer it onto your cups or your designs or whatever, and it works well. Nope, the eye got stuck with me. Give me 1 second. And so yeah, so I love using this transfer tape, and I can't tell you enough. So it could definitely pick you up some. All right, got that eye on. Get yourself some. All right. So with peekaboos, like, you just have to be creative, guys. Like, however it is that you want to add. As you can see, I added some of the scratches onto the bottom, and I'm going to try to recreate some of that as well. Most of the time I will have a thank you tag at the bottom. So if you're one of those that has that, you may not want to follow this lead. I'm not sure if I'm going to add my thank you or my care instructions at the bottom yet. We shall see. But I just like how that looks. So I just add these pieces all around. I just love this cute design. And I was like, well, this is a perfect Mommy and Me set. And then adding the smoky effect to this is just so darn cute. I was like, yes, absolutely. Let's elevate this smoky design because it is such a pretty design. And what better way to do that than obviously one with a color shifting glitter, and then two to have to really just have that smoky effect when you're thinking about Jurassic Park, you're thinking about like fog and just the movie itself. So it made perfect sense in my head to do this. So if you also are getting a ton, this is for a baby shower. So I'm so super excited. I'll be giving this away in like a basket of stuff. Just handcrafted stuff. Look at that. I love this. So you can do a lot, a little, whatever floats your boat. Whatever makes you happy, I should say. I just love putting these pieces together. Love, love, love it. So peekaboos to me are fairly simple. You just really have to work at it. I think I want to kind of do like if it's walking, really cool. Let's see, kind of like that. So I have two there and then there, two sets of feet. See, I make cups and then I want to keep them because I just love them so much. Let's see, and I think I'm going to do a slash right there too. Like a nice little gap there. So I'll just add another slash. And are you guys catching how easy it is to use this transfer tape? Love it so much. There you go. And just to show you guys all again, I just tag it on right there. Bam. So fun time. All right. And I had an extra one, but I really don't need it. All right. And so take a look. Okay. So, couple keynotes. I didn't do the beginning part of this because I already have a peekaboo video. So I'll have that right above me. If you want to take a look at just the beginning steps, it's basically the same thing. You want to prep your tumbler, you want to add your glitter, but the key is to ensure you have a smooth, flat surface that you're working with when you apply your vinyl decals, because that is going to make and break your design. Whenever you're doing a peekaboo, it has to be a flat surface. If you don't, the spray paint will show every defect that you have on your cup. So it has to be smooth. So I'm going to take these bad boys outside. I'm going to spray them down. Once they're sprayed, I'll be back to show you the second part and to create that smoky effect. I'm so excited. So go outside, spray paint your cup, and follow along. Alrighty guys, so I went outside, I spray painted my cup. I'm happy with my coverage. So now we're gonna do the smoky effects. Notice that I'm not taking off my vinyl pieces just yet. I am going to create the smoky effect before I go ahead and remove my vinyl. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is turn on my candle here, and I'm just using a fire, it's called, I don't know, a sandalwood candle. I mean, you can use whatever candle you have, guys. Don't go out there going crazy and spending a ton of money. Mine does crackle, creates a little bit more smoke. I'm gonna be using my metal stir stick, guys. I'm not gonna go out and purchase knives or whatever. Like, use what you have at home. Be resourceful. You don't have to go and make things too extra for yourself. A couple things to know is that you do not want to put this the cup too closely to the flame, because what's going to end up happening is you're going to get too much of a smoke and too much tar on the cup. So you want to make sure, we're going to start, as you can already see, it's starting to turn black. So as I'm getting those, see how the metal is burning, so it's creating like these, hopefully you guys can pick that up, these black tar and smoke. So what I'm doing is I'm keeping that on there, and I'm twirling the cup, because I don't want it to be too much on one side and not too black on other pieces. So I'm just making sure that I have enough, and I'm happy, and I'm moving this around, because you can't take it back. You can always add more, as you can see. You can always add more, but you can't take away. So I got a lot there. So you want to keep doing this until you're happy with your design and how much more you want. And like I said, the metal onto the cup is what's going to create this look, right? So you want to stop, you can stop. How cool is that? And you just do that on there all around. I'm gonna put some more. And I'm really happy on how that looks. So you guys, so you can heighten this up, you can lessen it. It's completely up to you. All right, so now let's do this one. Because again, this is a mommy and me set. How cute is that? Different ideas for you guys, because you have so many different techniques for this mommy and me set. You have so many cool things. For boys, it's like, it always feels like you have to do just regular paint, but this color shifter that I'm using underneath, and you'll see it again. It's King Triton. It's so cool. Perfect for a baby boy. All right. Perfect. So look at the smoke design on that. And I'm just going to leave my candle burning because it smells delish. All right. So notice that I did this with the vinyl. Now, it's because I don't want to affect any of the glitter underneath. I don't want to affect any of the design. I really just want to continue with the integrity. So after I did this, this is all you're going to have to do now is peel off your vinyl. So follow me along while I peel off my vinyl, and I will show you the end result and what to do next. So once you're done applying all of your, removing all your decals and you're ready for epoxy, you're not going to do anything else. This is set. This is not going to run under epoxy, the smoke itself. So you could just add the epoxy. Today, I'm going to be using DIY, Counterculture DIY Fast Set Epoxy. Guys, this epoxy is a lifesaver. So if you don't know about him, go to Counterculture DIY, their Facebook group, or their their website, this stuff cures in an hour and a half to 2 hours, fully cured. So it works perfect for your final coats. A little goes a long way. This stuff is amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that today for this spin, and then I'll show you the end result. All right, guys, so stay tuned. Hey guys, all right, so here you have it. I did the smoky tumbler, smoky tumbler method, but I elevated it a little bit and did it as a peekaboo. And take a look at just how gorgeous this is, guys. And those of you wondering, these are all, this one is, I don't even remember. I bought this one at Walmart. And I bought this, the bottle also at Walmart, in the baby section. So I'm so excited for this Mommy and Me set. Take a look at that. And all we did was use a color shifting glitter called King Triton from our Glittahful collection. How gorgeous is that? So don't forget to check us out for specialty and quality polyester and solvent resistant glitters at glittaful.com. And that link is in the description bar. And a candle, guys. Again, don't go crazy. You don't have to go buy a bunch of things. Use a candle you have at home. I use metal stir sticks, so I ended up using mine for this. It's really simple. It's a really simple technique, very quick. And as you guys remember hearing me say, I use the fast set epoxy from Counterculture DIY, and it's so fast. Like, this cured in 2 hours, so I'm so excited. So again, don't forget to follow us on Instagram and on Facebook, guys. We do have a Facebook group for crafters. It's called Glitter Tumbler Epoxy Hats, Beginners to Advanced. So I can't wait to see all of you guys there. You all have a glitterful day. Bye.